Good afternoon, everyone. It's the Health Juggernaut, and today's theme is Keep It Simple, Stupid. Because keto is very easy. Keto really just consists of some high quality meats, a lot of fat. You want to get your fat up to like 70%, or at least a ratio of 2 to 1 to your protein, and some nutritious green vegetables. So today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and ideal type recipe. You can make it for lunch anytime. It's delicious and it hits our macros and also helps to build up our macros. Let's get started. We're going to start with 8 ounces of grass-fed burger. Now this Thomas Farms brand I've never used before. I found it at Lowe's, but it's already cut into burgers for me nice and neat, and I wanted to have 8 ounces anyway, so I'm going to use a couple of these for my meats today. I'm also going to use 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and pre-cut 2 cups of broccoli. And finally, 1 8-ounce glass of coconut milk, unsweetened. Alright, so we got our water for our broccoli going. We're going to go ahead and put our patties on. Cut the heat on the front burner to medium for the burgers. And we're going to have some broccoli and burgers with cheese coming right up. While those are going, I'm also going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in a little saute pan and cook that on very low, just so the butter melts. And we're going to pour this on top of our broccoli. Alright, so our water's boiling. We can put our broccoli on. Now this is 2 measured cups of chopped broccoli, which really is not a lot. I can eat an unlimited amount of broccoli, to be honest with you. So 2 cups is not a big deal, but it is enough to get a lot of nutrients. So we'll just cook this until it turns bright green and softens up a little bit. And this will be part 1 of our healthy keto meal. Alright, looks like our broccoli is ready. Let's strain it out. Alright, so our broccoli is ready. It's steaming hot. We're going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. This is Himalayan pink sea salt. And then we're going to pour our butter all over the top. Just like that. Now this is going to be the most delicious broccoli that's possible to make. It's nutritious and it's delicious. And with the butter we added, it's got a lot of fat. Back to our burgers. Looks like we're ready to add some cheese. And if you're wondering, yes, I did eat half of my cheese while I was waiting. That happens sometimes. Alright, we'll let that melt and they'll be ready to put on a plate. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of pepper. Just a little shot of salt. I'm a little low on salt today. Alright, it looks like our cheese is starting to melt. I don't want to overcook these. I want them just done. Looks like this burger is ready to eat. When it's all finished, it looks and tastes amazing. And it's got everything that we need in a keto meal. I just finished working out, so I want to have my protein levels high. 8 ounces of burger provides 82 grams of protein. And we got plenty of fat, and also the broccoli adds a lot of micronutrients. Broccoli is one of those vegetables that you should always eat. It's called a cruciferous, and it's actually anti-estrogen, which is very important, especially for men. So you should always try to get lots of broccoli into your diet. I'm only eating 2 meals a day, so I'm doing intermittent fasting pretty much every day. I ate last night about 7:30 p.m. I took my last bite. It's about 12:30 the next day, so that's 16 hours. That's ideal. So since I'm only eating twice a day, I want to go ahead and try to get at least close to half of my calories in on the first meal. So you can see this meal has a total of 1,087 calories, which is great for our first meal. Again, a quick look at our protein levels. You can see here we've got 82 grams of protein. I just finished working out and I'm trying to get at least 3/4 of a gram of protein into my diet every day per pound of body weight. Now I weigh 175 pounds. So I want to get in about 131 grams of protein per day to build muscle and lose fat. This meal is going to provide about 2/3 of my total grams of protein that I'm trying to get today. And I feel like the ideal time to have a big protein meal is right after a workout. That way your body can immediately utilize that extra protein to build muscle, and that'll save a small side of meat for dinner. Taking a quick look at our macros, you can see our protein is at 30.7% and our fat is at 60.9%. So fat's a little low, but our fat content is still a 2-to-1 ratio over our protein. And that for me is one of the main markers of a healthy keto diet. You want to have twice as much fat as you do protein, and that signals to the body that fat is your main source of fuel, and it should use the protein for building muscles and structure. And the carbs is 8.4%. Less than 10, that's good to go. I also want to just do a quick look at our macros. You can see with just what we've eaten, a bowl of broccoli, all of our macros are starting to come into line, and we can fill those out with our last meal, no problem. There is some discussion about whether we actually need this much of the micronutrients, the vitamins and the minerals without carbohydrates, because carbohydrates has a tendency to deplete the body of the micronutrients. So we're still trying to discover exactly how much we need of these vitamins and minerals on a daily basis to keep our body running optimally. So we're going to learn some more information on that later, but as of right now, I still try to max out all these. I'd rather have the body to have too much vitamins and minerals than it needs, and it's able to simply excrete the leftovers, rather than having a deficiency. So better safe than sorry as far as your macros are concerned. That's it for today. You guys enjoy your delicious, nutritious keto meals. Health Juggernaut out.